Have you ever imagined being an Ant-Man who can enter the microscopic world with ease? This can help you. Hi, I'm Dr. Martin. I'm so delighted to introduce our product to all of you here, the TinyScope can. A microscope that can easily fit into your pocket. It can magnify the images to up to 1,000 times, with real-life transmission of 13 megapixel images. You can take it everywhere you go. Just plug it in. Bring it close to what you want to observe. You can see whatever you want to see. For example, an insect, a leaf, or use it in dark field illumination mode so that you can see a drop of lake water. Of course, you can use it as a traditional microscope, but you're free from adjusting focus ring. Just plug in and play. Every single detail on the slides is visible. Besides, the length of TinyScope can eliminate chromatic aberration. All these features give you a brand new experience of exploring the microscopic world. We hope TinyScope can will satisfy your desires for exploration and further guide you into the microscopic world.
An artist needs the best tools to create amazing artwork, whether you're an animator, an illustrator, or graphic design artist. And you need the best that you can get your hands on without destroying your bank account over it. And this is a purchase that you'll easily get your money back on, and much more, through your amazing work. This is a HUION KAMVAS 13.
The ultimate gaming mouse is a true extension of a gamer, and its sensor is what powers that performance. Teaming up with Pixart, an industry leader in smart sensor solutions, our latest breakthrough is set to redefine the standards of gaming precision and accuracy yet again. Introducing the smartest and most precise mouse sensor ever created, the Razer Focus Plus optical sensor. While it's got the highest DPI and IPS in the market, That's not what matters, because there are other ways to make sensors more accurate, like programming them with new intelligent functions. With smart tracking, the sensor automatically calibrates itself across different mouse surfaces to ensure your liftoff distance remains the same. This means more consistent aim without fussing with the sensor settings every time you set up somewhere new. And with asymmetric cutoff, you're able to set different liftoff and landing cutoff points for greater precision. Lastly, Motion Sync ensures that your PC gets the most current updates of your mouse position for more consistent tracking. This results in an industry-leading 99.6% resolution accuracy, which is the closest anyone's ever achieved to total gaming perfection. Experience a new level of precision with the Razer Focus Plus optical sensor.
Learn how to unlock and encrypt your files using the diskAshur Pro 2. The diskAshur Pro 2 HDD is available in up to 5 TB and the SSD in up to 8 TB. To unlock your diskAshur Pro 2 drive, first connect the integrated cable to your computer or